to Marina's kitchen. Today I'm going to make some Nutella muffins. They're so easy to make because you just put everything in together. You don't have to beat anything, the eggs or the butter. My grandkids love these, and so they're so quick. I'll show you how to do them. I've got here a cup of plain flour. Okay, you just have to put everything in together, which is so easy. A cup of plain flour, okay, and then a third a cup of caster sugar I've got in there. It's just all dry ingredients, and then just put the eggs in the butter. A third a cup of caster sugar and a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. Just put that all in there. And so a bit of, I've got one egg here, and I'm going to put some vanilla in it, and then I'm going to have I've got 40 grams of melted butter. So I'm going to put the melted butter with the egg. I'm going to mix it all together. Just put that all together like that. It's got 40 grams of melted butter and half a cup of, I've got an egg. I'm just going to put it all together, and I've got half a cup of milk. So it's so quick, just put them all together, and look, just pour that in there like that. Nothing to beat or anything, just put that all together like that. And just mix it all through with the half a cup of milk. That's all we need to do. It's so quick. It's such a lovely batter. And then I'm going to put Nutella in the middle of them. And they love these Nutella muffins. They really are nice to make. Look, that's all it is. It's very quick. It gives it a lovely batter. Very nice soft batter. And then I'm going to put the Nutella in the middle of it. Look. That's it, very quick. One egg, half a cup of milk. It's got a cup of plain flour with a teaspoon and a half of baking powder and one egg. Look, that's all we did. That's so quick, wasn't it? That's all, put it all together. As long as you've got everything ready, just put it all together, and then put a spoon of this inside in the muffin tins. Look, have your muffin tins ready. Just put a spoon of this, and then you put a bit of Nutella in the middle of it. So look, that was quick, wasn't it? So quick, just put it all together, no problem. Okay, look, just get a spoon of that and put it in there. And just keep on putting this in the middle of it, and then we're going to put the Nutella in the middle of it, and then we're going to put some more dough on the top, okay? Just put all that like that. Very easy. And then we're going to put some Nutella in the middle, and then put some more pastry on the top. Just put that all together. Very easy, very quick, very nice. They're beautiful Nutella muffins. So look, and then I'm going to put this Nutella in the middle of it. Just about a teaspoon of Nutella in the middle of it. Just put a teaspoon in the middle of the Nutella. Okay, lovely. Just keep on doing the same thing, and that'll melt all in the middle of it. And when they open it up, you get that beautiful chocolate flavour through it, which is lovely. The kids, my grandkids love these. Sometimes at the weekend I just make them for them. Just put the teaspoon of Nutella in the middle of it like that. I've got my oven on for 180. They only go in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just put that Nutella in the middle of it. You don't want a lot, you just want like a little piece of Nutella. That's all, because then it'll all melt in the middle of it. Just keep on doing the same thing. Okay, and then we're going to put some more pastry on the top. You don't have to put icing or anything, and when they come out you can just sprinkle some icing sugar on the top just to finish them off. Now I'm just going to put some more of this pastry on the top. I'm just going to put some more pastry on the top. Look, fill it up with that. Cover up the Nutella, and that's lovely. That's beautiful. They don't make a big batch. This is only just a small batch. You can double it if you want to, make more. But look, this is just enough for having them for morning tea. There's 3, 6, 9 of them there. You can make extra, you can double up the dose if you want to. Just put that on top of that Nutella. And they'll only be in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, that's all. And that Nutella inside will just melt inside that pastry, which is lovely. And then just sprinkle some icing sugar on the top. That's it. There's 9 of them there. You can make more, double your dose. This is only a small dose. Just keep on doing that up. Okay. When you take them out, give them a sprinkle with some nice icing sugar on the top. They really don't need any icing on the top because they've got that lovely Nutella in the middle of them, and it's enough sweetness as it is. So that's all you need. Just put it all together. That's 9 of them, which this pastry, which was just beautiful. It's such a quick muffin. No beating, no nothing. Just put everything in together. You've got a cup of that plain flour. You've got a 1/3 cup of caster sugar, and we've got the Nutella to put in the middle of it. Then you've got a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, and 1/2 cup of milk and 1 egg. So there you go. That's very quick. Just put that all together like that. And look, that was so quick, wasn't it? Just don't have to mix it up with Mixmaster or anything. Just put it all together. You get 9 muffins there, not a lot. It's just enough for the kids to have for morning tea, or just enough that you don't want to make a lot. If you want to make more, just double the mixture, no problem. And that Nutella inside will just melt, and when you open it up, it comes beautiful. So look, give them a go. These are my Nutella muffins. So thank you for watching my videos, and have a great day. Bye for now. Bye.